Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started on Binance. It's the biggest exchange on the planet, and even though it looks like a lot, I'm going to help you breeze right through it. Before we start, check out the link I've pinned in the description. If you sign up through that link, you'll get a 50% fee payback and $600 in rewards automatically. It's a great way to start your trading journey, so click that now and let's get going. All right, let's jump in. First, we have to create your profile. Click that link below, and it'll take you to the Binance sign up screen. Once you're there, you'll see that you have a couple of options. You can choose to sign up using your email address or your mobile phone number. Either one works perfectly fine, so just pick the one you're most comfortable with. Go ahead and put your details in. Check the box, agree to the terms of service, and then hit that continue button. Binance is going to send you a 6-digit code to verify it's you. Just check your messages, grab that code, and type it in. Easy enough, right? And then hit that continue button. Next is your password. Since we're talking about your money, make sure it's strong. Our password needs to be at least 8 characters long. It also must contain at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. I'd recommend something you don't use anywhere else. Once you hit continue, your account is ready. If an inviter code screen pops up, just make sure it's filled in so you don't miss those bonuses. If it's blank, you can retype the code in it. And just like that, the first big step is done. Now, we need to do KYC identity verification. This is just a safety check that lets you deposit and trade freely. This part is much easier on your phone because of the face scan. Go ahead and download the Binance app from your app store and log in with the account we just made. Once you log in, you should be taken directly to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality and choose which ID you want to use. You can use an ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. Tap Take Pictures and click Continue. Get a nice clear photo of the front and back of your ID. After that, it's time for the face scan. Just follow the instructions for the face scan. Once that's done, just quickly confirm your personal details like your name, date of birth, hit that continue button, occupation, and hit that continue button, and industry, and hit that continue button. The review is super fast, usually under 5 minutes, and you can check your status on your profile screen. We're almost there. Next is setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Head back to your PC for this. Navigate to your account menu on the left and click Security. You'll see an option for Authenticator app. Click Manage right next to it. Click Enable, verify your identity one last time via email or phone, and a QR code will pop up. Now on your phone, download the Google Authenticator app. Open it up, click Get Started, and then select Use without signing in for maximum privacy. Tap Add a code and then scan a QR code. Scan that code on your PC screen, and boom, you'll see a 6-digit Binance OTP code. Go back to your PC, then click Next, and type in the 6-digit code currently showing on your phone. Hit Submit, and you are officially locked down and secure. Your Google OTP is active. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial on how to get started with Binance. Please leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching.